Hello and welcome to Wiezys Trading. I just wanted to show you the new dashboard that I made, multi-time frame, called Wiezys Multi-Time Frame Strength Dashboard, Volume 1. As you can see, you can mess around with the settings. You can control how much weight each time frame goes into making the overall market direction. You can mess with the MAs that are used for slope to find out strength of the market. And you can mess with the ATR period and a lot of these other settings you can just mess around with. As long as leave it on signal strength, shift 1 or greater. It should not change values after close of candle. And that's about it. Join Wiezys Trading. Got more stuff I'm working on. Thank you.